I'm gonna talk to you about drugs, how to get a job when you're at the dealership and your PP look green. Stop playing. Alright, so make sure I hit the like button, make sure y'all subscribe or whatever. So let me give you my little experience or whatever. So first of all, you on drugs? Let me come closer. You on drugs? Look like it. Your lips getting black. And your pupils and your eyes and your breath stink. So let me stop playing. As a mechanic, it's all types of people who be doing drugs or whatever. You can't really question anything nowadays. I don't work with all types of people who did crack, cocaine, Xannies, perks. I say like a lot of mechanics like doing meth. I don't know what the hell. Come on, meth, like whatever. They do all types of drugs. Weed. I do weed. I don't know about the meth part. Whatever. So listen. I don't know what they test for, but for me, I remember it used to be just a lot of damn near every dealership will always test you for for you gotta take a piss test. You first step at getting a job is you pass the interview. Next step, can you pass the drug test? Right? Cool. So I never really had to sweat it, like getting drug tested. Maybe some jobs I probably didn't apply to. Just matter of fact, I don't think I let nothing stop me, because when I'm on a Magic Dragon, I just feel, excuse me, I had to burp. I feel powerful. I feel extremely powerful and intelligent. I can get myself out of a situation. So the jobs, I remember when I got my job at Honda or whatever. I passed the interview and it was cool. You just say, when you drug test and stuff, background, come back, cool or whatever. So that was the first time. Basically this is what I did to get into, I got into like 4 dealerships using this method pretty much. Listen, I smoke weed or whatever. So what I would do, I know they pee test. They don't cut hair, they don't do blood or nothing. They just do pee test, because that's what jobs can afford. That's what type of test they can afford. Sometimes the job is too cheap, then they don't require you to take a drug test, period. They just hire you because they want to keep money in their pocket. You should apply for dealerships like that if you got a little drug problem. Not encouraging you, I'm just giving you advice. Because I don't want you sweating bullets worried about if you pass the interviews, you're going to get the job. I ain't going to stop you or discourage you from getting money. Everybody does drugs on this earth. If you take prescription pills, you're doing drugs. You got a headache, you take something for your aspirin, you're doing drugs. You smoking a cigarette, you're doing drugs. No matter how you look at it, I don't care if you putting rubber and alcohol, just, you cleaning a cut. You're doing drugs, because what's in that rubber and alcohol? I'm just saying, alright? Period. Alright? So, I know that I didn't make sense a little bit, but I made sense. Because I'm always right or wrong, period. But I'm right when I'm wrong. Now, my bro don't smoke. My little bro or whatever. So, listen. Just from experience, I know I'm having, me peeing in a cup or whatever. I know what they look for. They only care about the temperature. Let me say it again. They only care about the temperature. And it better be clean, but more so the temperature is the key to it. So, I would have my brother, peeing a little specimen. One time I went out and got a specimen cup. When my boy worked at the hospital, he would give me specimen cups or whatever. So I used those. One time I went to the dollar store, got a hand sanitizer, the little bottle thing, emptied it out, cleaned it out real good, ran some water in it, boom, wiped it down, whatever. Had my brother pee in the joint, cleaned it off real good, covered it with some tissue, strapped it on my leg. I strapped it next to my nutsack. Why do we strap things next to our nutsack? Answer. Because your nutsack is, I'm fumbling. Your nutsack is like the hottest part of your fucking body. You ever notice guys in the cold? Women always wondering why do dudes be putting their hands in their pants or whatever? You see them like this or whatever, like it just be just like this, just chilling, or like this or whatever. It's because our nutsack area is warm when it's cold out. So there's nothing. I don't know how to explain it. Whatever. You just gotta have a pee shooter and 2 balls. And you'll understand where we coming from, whatever. Benefits of being a dude, right? So, listen, I would, just how I would keep it warm temperature wise. I put it on top of the, I would come to the parking lot, I'll pull up in enough time to, I put it on top of my car engine. So I know on my way going there, it's probably going to be hot by the time I get there. So I give me like a 30-minute window going there, it being hot because the engine going to be hot or whatever. So I wrap it up, something cool, put it on, tuck it in somewhere on top of the engine somewhere cool when I get there. Take it out, let it cool down while I'm in the parking lot chilling. One time I even puffed it, I started rolling up in the parking lot, hit the L before I even went in there. I think all the times I went in there to go take a drug test, I was high, but my my pee was clean. I'm telling you this because I don't care. So that was what I used to do. I don't have to worry about doing that ever again. But that's what I used to do. So I could share it with you because you can't get me in trouble, period. So, we're trying to find, how I would get the pee, like, how they'll let you, you sit there for like a good, nice 15 to 30 minutes before they actually have you come in the back or whatever. Because they had to do your paperwork, and you got a little line probably or whatever. So, it's properly timed, because I done been through this plenty of times from having jobs. I know how to pee, taking the pee test work or whatever. So, I, got it strapped to my balls or whatever and stuff, keeping it warm between my leg and my nutsack or whatever. So, cool. Get in there, bull hooked up the cup. Tell me go in there, don't flush the toilet, don't run no water or nothing like that. When you come out here, after you give me the cup, then you can go back in there and wash your hands and do this, and that, or whatever. Cool. They always be standing at the door or whatever. I know they be trying to that's their job or whatever, but I had to quietly peel the joint off my leg or whatever. The tape was all loud, whatever, and then I gotta arch it into the cup or whatever while it's still warm. Hurry up, and bam, 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 and then just all the times, I just knew when I went in there, I went in there with pee, and I kept the temperature adequate, at an adequate temperature or whatever. All I was just waiting for when he put the little tester joint on the cup, this little sticky joint with colors on it, and when it came up, cool, he put it on the paper, temperature check, good, he put yes and all of that, cool, and my brother, if his pee was cool, I know I had the job or whatever, so I never really had to sweat getting a job, when it came to in dealerships or whatever, because they only test for pee stuff, and I only smoke weed. I really don't care what you think about weed, because that's just me, period. So, listen, I'm Leekautorepair savage boy in the auto repair community. I get votes on that, so I'm a savage, because I am. The way I talk, the way I act, I'm the devil, right? Probably to you. It's just, I don't know what to tell you. I'm a RN, I'm a real ass nigga. I don't know what to tell you. So, hit the like button, make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Malik. Leekautorepair, parentheses, PO Box number 4, Lansdowne, PA 19050. Anybody want Leekautorepair shirts? The deal, 25 plus shipping. Get at me. I'll be on Instagram. Make sure y'all holler at me on Instagram. I'll be doing some posts or whatever. Just, send me a message. Let me know who you is or whatever. Just a little comment, whatever. I don't know what you do, whatever. I said shirts, 25 plus shipping, but try to remember. Car reviews. You got any questions? Listen, I don't care. You don't know how to take the seatbelt off in your car. I'm just trying to come up with little stupid scenarios. You got car questions, email me. Product reviews, same thing, email me. Don't be sending me nothing cheesy or whatever. You could be if you want to send me something, you can send me something cool, like how Johnny, thanks for this, Johnny. Sent me this. Cool. You want to send me some gear set stuff? Gear wrench? Cool. I'm cool with that. Don't be sending me nothing cheesy. I ain't no mouse, boy. You feel me? So, that's that. I'll holla at y'all.